Hi there! In this YouTube Ads Mastery Review, I'm going to show you a powerful training bundle that can help you master YouTube ads from scratch and start generating real results using the power of video marketing. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses waiting for you if you decide to grab YouTube Ads Mastery through my link below. Check the description. You don't want to miss them. What is YouTube Ads Mastery? YouTube Ads Mastery is a comprehensive training program that includes 48 high-quality videos, checklists, transcripts, and audio lessons, all focused on helping you master YouTube advertising. It's designed for entrepreneurs, marketers, and business owners who want to learn how to create winning YouTube ad campaigns, write effective ad scripts, target the right audience, optimize and scale ads for the best ROI. And here's the best part. You also get PLR rights. That means you can resell it, rebrand it, or even use it to build your own audience or membership site. Why it's so powerful? What's cool about this is that you don't need any ad experience. Whether you're a beginner or already running some ads, this course gives you a step-by-step game plan. Some standout features include easy-to-follow video modules, transcripts and audio files, for flexible learning checklists to keep you on track, PLR license to monetize or use it as your own product. Now I want to be honest, this isn't a get-rich-quick trick. It's a real training program that teaches you how to use YouTube ads effectively. You'll still need to apply what you learn to see results. How it works. It's simple. Access the training portal after your purchase. Start watching the bite-sized lessons that walk you through every aspect of YouTube ads, from setup to scaling. Download the PLR version, rebrand it, and either use it yourself or sell it for 100% profit. Let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs. Here's a breakdown of the upgrades you'll see after grabbing the front end. OTO 1, Work from Home Productively. $44.25 boost your focus, stay organized, and increase productivity while working remotely. Ideal if you work online or run your own business. OTO 2, Entrepreneurship, Start Your Business. $46.75, a deep dive into starting your own online business with clarity, structure, and confidence. Great for beginners or side hustlers ready to go full-time. OTO 3, Kidpreneur Kickstart. $14.25 teach kids the value of entrepreneurship early. A fun, educational course that parents, teachers, or youth coaches can use or resell. OTO 4, Customer Service, Support and Experience. $21.75 master the art of customer support and experience. Great for any business owner looking to increase retention and satisfaction. What I like about it, super beginner friendly. Even if you're new to YouTube ads, you can resell the content, use it to build authority, or add it to a course. Very affordable with a massive 75% discount during launch, covers real-world strategies that work in today's market, what could be improved. If you're looking for a hands-on tool or software, this is purely a training course, not an app. So if you want automation or done-for-you ads, this might not be for you. Final thoughts. If you're serious about mastering YouTube ads, or even better, if you want to sell a YouTube ads course as your own, this is a golden opportunity. You get professional training, full PLR rights, and a solid funnel of upgrades to help you grow even faster. Grab it using my link below, and don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my YouTube Ads Mastery review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and income boosting tools. See you in the next video.